We're recording right now.
Okay, hello.
Hey, YouTube. So, I just surprised Blue Potato with something so huge. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. So, it's just gonna be a giveaway now. Blue Skies 103. Back up. Okay, so, oh wait, I typed in BLEUE. Wow. Okay, so this is now a giveaway because I just gave Blue Skies VIP on another account. See, she's right there.
Yay, I'm on it right now.
See?
It's awesome.
Yeah, and yesterday I had leveled up.
I leveled up to 5. Yay. I'm a weirdo.
You know.
There's so many coins already?
You're a
Whoa.
potato.
I am a blue potato. And she is a K potato.
Okay, so yesterday I got VIP. I leveled up and I bought her VIP too on another account that I made earlier when we were playing Animal Jam. Because she said,
You surprised me big time with the potato magic.
You kept trying to guess it. You were like, agree. I don't know.
I was like an odd book.
Hey, you leveled up
In
again.
my head, I'm like, how could she give me an art book? I'm so weird.
Okay. Now, did you level up to level 6 right now?
Oh, yeah, I'm level 7. Whoa! 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 How'd that happen? I was level 5.
I know, like, I was just looking at your character and you were on level 5.
How'd that happen?
Magic.
It's blue potato magic!
Yeah. Also, I had became a jury yesterday too.
You did?
Mhm. I was like
You're
super
welcome.
happy. Oh my gosh, the Greek! Yay! I was like spamming people with Greeks last night. That's how I got 6 star coins, and I mean not 6 star coins. I have a lot of star coins. I'm about 6,000.
I can't get that out of my head.
Yeah, I bought her VIP. It's gonna be a giveaway. And I also did that for my sister. I got my sister VIP. Green Ivy 400. Oh god.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. But I'm just like making an outfit.
You don't know what you're doing, but you're doing it.
Yes.
I also
I know it makes no sense.
I also bought my sister VIP too, cause she's amazing. She's the sister potato, and she is a jury now.
And K Potato is an awesome potato. She is the best potato in the whole entire world. Nobody is the best potato but her. Nobody can replace her. She is awesome.
And also, when I wasn't recording, I bought like thousands and thousands of animations. And I'm going to buy some clothes right now or more animations. I have
buying clothes.
I have like
I'm
lots.
So happy. Like there's no way to explain it. I'm just so happy.
And I like spammed out all my money yesterday on my star coins on animations. I bought like a lot of animations yesterday. I still have no sports animations but the victory one and the I love football one. I'm going to buy some more sports animations.
You're the best person in the world.
I look so black and white right now. I'm gonna change my clothes. Should I go girly girl?
You should go whatever you like. You're a potato. You're not a potato. And you're gonna stay the potato. Potato, potato.
Potato, potato.
There should be a theme song. Potato, potato, tomato, potato. There should be a theme song. Or potato, potato. It's a potato. It's a potato. Everyone knows it's a potato.
Oh my gosh.
I look so new right now. This is funny. Like, I'm buying new clothes, but I look so new. You know what I'm saying?
You look pretty right now. See? You look pretty. You look like,
thank you so much.
You look like the magical potato.
I'm dead.
Of all potato magicness. Potato
Most
magic.
Potato magicness is awesome. You're awesome. I want to cook some s'mores.
S'mores! I have a mega jump animation. It's the mega jump. It's the mega potato jump.
The mega potato!
Okay, that is true right there. I did buy her VIP.
It's true. And if you don't believe it, you all can be hating, but haters gonna hate, but we are not hating because...
Potatoes gonna potato.
Yeah. Potatoes are gonna potato.
Okay, do you think, I don't know what I want to do right now.
Pixel poser. I like the pixel poser.
Yeah, it's actually kind of funny. Oh my gosh, bye. Bai 122 is sending me gifts.
Really?
Yeah, TYSM. I said thank you so much. Oh my gosh, safety chat is annoying, but the account that I got you VIP on, you don't have safety chat. You have free chat, so you get to like type numbers or whatever.
Really?
Mhm.
I could do whatever I want?
Mhm.
Wow. That's not normal.
I don't know if I should open up her gifts. Should I open them?
I don't know. They could be a hit.
They are. Well, I think 2 of them are rares.
Okay, then open them.
Okay, I'm scared. Wait, are you looking at my screen? I'm scared. I don't know if they're rares or not.
I'm gonna watch.
I don't know if they're rares or not.
And it's...
Has rares. Yay! It's a has rare. Crap, I forgot to wear it. I should probably wear it. The next one. Okay. Fame booster. Look at me. Yeah. I wonder if this other one is. Oh no! Yay, that's rare. Okay, and the last gift. Wait, let me make sure she didn't give me anymore. Yeah, okay, the last gift.
Wait, the color of the thing just changed.
Yeah.
Weird.
I was like spamming everyone that was online with greets yesterday because I had like 300 and some diamonds. Now I have 6. Okay, what is this gift?
Let's see.
What?
Open up potato. Yeah, it exploded.
Boom. Chocolates for you.
Chocolate for you.
She gave me chocolate.
Chocolate.
I like chocolate.
But you can't open them.
No, they're gonna melt. No.
They're gonna melt in the box.
Oh yeah, I should tell people that I'm recording.
Hello.
You're buying animations right now?
Yeah. Woohoo!
You just bought
Animation.
the
I
girly
don't want to spend
thing.
all my money on animation. I probably want to like save up.
Yeah. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to what should I do? I'm going to okay. Hold on. Why is my outline looking like that? I don't know if you can see it, but it looks kind of like weird. I don't know if it's just because I'm recording or not.
What
Okay,
do you mean
so
outline? What outline?
if you look at my screen right now, you see like the crazy outline or whatever, and it looks kind of weird. Oh wait, I know what it is. It's because of the thing that I did. Hold on, reset to default. Hold on.
Whoa. Outline.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. I'm finna see if I see it still. Yeah, it's still there. Okay.
Oh, it's there. That's cool.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I hope you level up to like level 10 right now.
I'm at level 10.
No, I'm looking at your screen right now. You finna level up to level 8. See?
Oh, hello, level 8. I'm VIP. Look at it. Should I get freckles?
I don't know. You can if you want it.
Do I look cute with freckles? That's the problem. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, you do. Ooh, I should probably get them too. I don't have them. No. Okay, yeah. Hold on, wait. Beauty clinic. Go to the Royal Beauty Clinic.
I need a friend, my backup. I'm so focused on this backup that I haven't even friended my backup.
You're so focused on your backup that you haven't even friended yourself on your backup.
What? It didn't search. What? Oh, wait. Never mind. I put a space behind the backup. What? It put the K on the other K? Like,
yeah, I just saw that. Okay, we're 13 minutes in the recording.
hello, 13 minutes recording. Let's see how this works. Yes, I would like to be friends with my maid.
I have so much stuff on my on my character face right now.
Should I be best friends with my backup so that people could see it?
Yeah, you probably should. I don't know if I should make another account.
That animation where they're pointing at people. Like that pointing animation.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
that pointing animation?
You said, where is it?
Yeah.
What I did was I went all the way to the high scores, and I had to scroll over like 1,000 times just to find it. We're 14 minutes in recording right now.
14 minutes. Was it opposing?
Yeah, it's on the poses. I'm on Fame City on my phone right now, trying to get more star coins. Hold on. Okay.
I don't know what to say. La 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 la.
Okay, I have my LA hair on right now, and I have my pig outfit. I mean, not my pig, my frog outfit. I should get a pig outfit though. They need to add in pig outfits.
Pig, pig, pig. You gotta get the pig outfit. Dang! Buy it. Yay!
Okay.
Dino with glasses that don't even fit